6 bad carbs you should eat. Carbs are not the enemy of weight loss. In fact, they can be an important part of a healthy diet for weight loss. I get it, lots of folks wonder if carbs are friends or foes, thanks to those trendy diets that make them seem like the bad guys. But here's the scoop: carbs aren't the enemy. Our bodies need them to function. Carbs, or carbohydrates, also bring in important stuff like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Plus, let's be honest, they're the reason our food tastes so darn good. Now, not all carb sources are created equal. Stuff like candy and sugary treats, they're not exactly giving us the health boost we need. But hang on, don't let wellness influencers fool you. There are other carbs that pack some pretty cool benefits, even if they don't always steal the spotlight. In today's video, we're going to uncover 6 bad carbs you should eat and find out what health benefits they can bring. We kick off our list with bread. Bread is like the MVP of sandwich making, bringing all the comfort and versatility you crave. Now, I know some diets might give bread the side eye, but guess what? It can totally be part of your healthy eating game, especially if you're vibing with whole grain goodness or other nutritious options. And get this, the nutritional lowdown can switch up depending on the type of bread. For instance, whole grain bread usually packs more fiber than its paler counterparts, while enriched white bread can sneak in extra B vitamins compared to the non-enriched stuff. But hold up, there's more to the story when it comes to sourdough bread. This bad boy has a whole set of unique health perks, all thanks to the way it's made. Data from a cool 2021 article in Microbiology Spectrum: spill the beans that munching on sourdough daily might give your colon's microbe crew a high five, promoting a healthier gut scene. Other researchers found out that sourdough can score points for controlling sugar response and keeping you full and content, according to a 2023 deep dive in advances in nutrition. Number 5. Potatoes. They're like the ultimate shapeshifters of food. You can air fry them, go all creamy with butter and sour cream for some killer mashed goodness, or just keep it simple with a sprinkle of salt and pepper after baking. These spuds aren't just sidekicks, they've got what it takes to be the main attraction on your plate, hanging out with a bunch of other nutrient-packed pals. It's not just about loading up on carbs. These tubers bring some serious vitamins to the party. Think fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. And here's a curveball: potatoes can actually be pals with diabetes too. There's data that says adding them to a diabetes-friendly diet is a wise move. A pretty solid study in Clinical Nutrition from 2021 revealed the folks dealing with type 2 diabetes who chowed down on skinless potatoes during dinner had a smoother overnight blood sugar situation compared to those who picked low-glycemic basmati rice. Number 4. Corn. That sunny yellow corn isn't just pretty, it's a natural source of lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids are like superheroes for your eyes, helping to keep them in tip-top shape and possibly lowering the risk of macular degeneration. A fancy 2022 piece in Nutrients revealed this information. But that's not all. Corn also brings some fiber, protein, and a bunch of other nutrients like zinc, copper, and magnesium to the table. Now, if you ever stumble upon purple corn, each bite comes with a little anthocyanin boost. This remarkable plant compound acts as a champion for your heart and brain. A savvy 2021 review in Nutrients reveals its connection to taking on that bad LDL cholesterol and lending a supportive hand in the battle against cognitive decline. Thanks for watching so far. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can get more health-related content like this in the future. Number 3. White rice. White rice is very popular in many cultures, far from being the villain some make it out to be. Yeah, they strip off much of its fiber during processing, but don't write it off just yet. This grain packs some pretty impressive nutritional perks. To start, white rice is light on fat and gives added sugars and sodium a complete miss. And don't even get me started on the micronutrients. It's like a treasure trove of goodies including calcium, iron, and magnesium, according to the USDA. Enriched white rice takes it up a notch, throwing in even more micronutrients like folic acid to make sure you're covered. Oh, and by the way, rice is a gluten-free natural, a real win for folks with celiac disease. Now, before you think about loading up on platefuls of white rice, remember it might not be the best for all diets in huge amounts. But for most healthy peeps, it totally earns its spot in a balanced diet. Number 2. Bananas. Bananas, a universally cherished fruit, have occasionally faced unwarranted skepticism online due to concerns about their fiber content. However, it's important to clarify that these claims lack scientific basis. In reality, bananas are a valuable inclusion in a healthy diet, offering a range of essential nutrients to support overall well-being. Contrary to any misconceptions, a medium-sized banana is not a source of excessive sugar. Containing no added sugars, it delivers a modest 100 calories, along with a commendable 3 grams of dietary fiber. Moreover, bananas provide a noteworthy array of micronutrients, including potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C, as established by USDA data. Speaking of potassium, bananas stand out as an excellent source of this vital nutrient, which plays a pivotal role in maintaining heart health. The significance of potassium is underscored by dietary approaches like the DASH diet, designed to promote optimal blood pressure levels. For those who opt for slightly underripe bananas, an added benefit awaits in the form of prebiotic fiber content. These bananas feature higher levels of resistant starch, a compound that has been linked to fostering a healthy balance of gut microbiota. Recent research published in Food Chemistry in 2022 sheds light on the potential gut health advantages associated with consuming underripe bananas. Number 1. Pasta. Pasta is a bit of a standout among refined carbs, all thanks to its protein structure. This unique feature makes your body take its time to digest pasta, unlike the speedy breakdown of, say, white bread. This gradual digestion can lead to a gentler rise in blood glucose levels compared to quick-digesting foods like white bread. According to a comprehensive 2021 review in Foods, most pasta falls into the categories of low or medium glycemic index. A 2021 study published in BMJ Nutrition, Prevention, and Health had some interesting findings. Postmenopausal women who savored over 3 servings of pasta each week ended up enjoying a reduced risk of stroke and atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease. And that's not all. Insights from a 2020 publication in Frontiers in Nutrition revealed that pasta enthusiasts tend to have a dietary edge. These folks often score higher in consuming key nutrients like folate, fiber, iron, and magnesium when compared to those who skip out on pasta. When it comes to pasta choices, consider these options for added benefits. Whole wheat pasta, packed with natural nutrients and fiber, supports steady energy release and blood sugar control. Brown rice pasta, a gluten-free alternative, provides complex carbs, fiber, B vitamins, and minerals for balanced energy. Lentil pasta, high in protein and fiber, aids satiety, energy stability, and digestive health. Chickpea pasta, rich in plant-based protein and fiber, is ideal for boosting protein intake. Quinoa pasta, as a complete protein source with a nutty flavor, delivers vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Barley pasta, offering a nutty taste and extra fiber, supports lasting energy and digestive well-being. Categorizing foods as simply good or bad is an oversimplification, as everyone's nutritional requirements are unique. All foods have a role to play in a balanced diet. While certain carb options might be labeled as bad, they can actually offer health benefits and contribute to a well-rounded eating plan. This holds particularly true for those generally in good health. As long as there are no underlying health concerns limiting your food choices, carbs like a baked potato paired with protein and vegetables, or a ripe banana combined with cereal, can enrich your daily meals with both taste and nutrition. Remember, the key lies in variety and moderation to ensure you're enjoying a nourishing diet. How about getting to know some healthy high-carb foods? Just click on the video that's on the screen. I'll be waiting for you there.